What's the meaning of countertop? Countertop. Countertop.
Countertop. Countertop. A countertop is a flat, horizontal surface in a kitchen or bathroom that is used for preparing food or other activities. They are typically made from materials like granite, marble, or laminate and come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and colors. Countertops can be customized to fit the needs and style of the individual and are an important component of any kitchen or bathroom design. They are also an essential feature for keeping a space organized and functional, providing a durable workspace for cooking, cleaning, and other daily tasks.